Photoshop just released an inbuilt sky replacement tool in the latest 2021 release. It's awesome and will save you a ton of time where the pen tool and blending modes will become obsolete to replace sky backgrounds. In front of me, I have this gorgeous photo of a property in Jacksonville, Florida. It's a great example as there is a level of complexity within the tree line, palm tree leaves, and similarity in color of the sky and lake below it. Once you have your desired photo open, making sure your layer is unlocked, you can do this by double-clicking on it in the Layers panel, like so, and click OK. Go to Edit, Sky Replacement, and Photoshop will open a panel in front of you, with a pre-selected sky background already loaded in on your image. By clicking on this box, you'll be able to change the backgrounds to 3 different categories that Photoshop's included for you. We have blue skies, spectacular, and sunsets. We can also add our own images, which is why I'll leave a link in the video description to my sky replacement pack that includes 555 unique images. It's totally free and will help you to get started with this new feature. With that said, I am going to click this plus icon and add a sky from pack 1. I already have one in mind, which is number 52. At the moment, shift clicking to select multiple images doesn't work, which means this feature will only import one photo at a time. This is likely because Photoshop has to convert the JPEG to a new extension called .sky, so you can easily make adjustments in the panel. The setting Shift Edge defines the number of pixels that are being shown from the top of the canvas. Fade Edge defines the opacity of the horizon line. This helps to blend the old and new sky together. Temperature allows you to experiment between traditional blue or golden hour orange. You can even flip the background if you're not satisfied with the composition. And in the foreground adjustments, you can use the lighting and color sliders to expose the main image using highlights found in the sky layer. With screen mode, the lighting adjustment will create a glow around the subject. And multiply will attempt to match the shadows or contrast between the 2 layers. All you have to do now is save as JPEG and you're done. I think this tool, alongside the power of AI and future innovations from Adobe, will change the workflow of real estate photographers and designers who are just getting started. Have fun experimenting with this, and don't forget to download my free sky replacement pack in the video description. My name is Alan, and I'll see you in the next one.